Hi, my name is Ed. I've been going to Dr. Otto for going on 10 years now. I have some horrendous spinal problems, mostly in my neck, also in my mid back, low back. Several discs worn away in my neck naturally. It comes from the type of work that I did in law enforcement on boats, vehicles, then later aircraft to a lesser extent. We had one boat in West Palm Beach, the center console with the controls and the gauges and so on. Had 150 screws holding it down, but the constant pounding from the waves loosened up every screw until the center console gets loose. You could grab it with your hands and shake it. Well, the same pounding that you were taking in 2 to 4 to 6 foot waves also did a pounding on your spine, compresses your spine. And so between getting skin cancer and other problems associated with boats, I have a lot of spinal problems. So I have been to a number of doctors. I've been to MDs, DOs. I've been to 6, 7, 8 chiropractors in this area. I have been to several orthopedic surgeons as a result of injuries. I've been to a neurosurgeon. I've been to a pain clinic. I've had 150 shots in my neck, nerve block type of thing with a DO. And so by the time, right now I'm 72, almost 73. So I have been considered disabled by the federal government for a number of years. And for people that don't understand, not all injuries get better. You pretty much accept after a period of time that things are only going to get worse. I have, as one ER doctor said, I have looked at my x-rays, just held them up to the light and says, "My, you have terrible osteoarthritis." And so when I came here, I was in my early 60s, and I was about at the end of my rope, suffering from depression, and because I wasn't getting anywhere. And a lot of chiropractors would take x-rays and they'd say, geez, I'm afraid to touch you because I might hurt you or something. So when I came here, I was about at the end of my rope, and so I was very pleasantly surprised in the last 10 years that, given the multitude of problems, the extremity of the problems I have, that I was in so much pain. A lot of nights I couldn't go to sleep. I'd go to bed at midnight, 1, 2 a.m. I couldn't go to sleep till 6 or 8 a.m. I do still see a doctor for painkillers and muscle relaxants and stuff, but I'm just trying to get by the best I can, and I don't think I'd be getting by at all if it weren't for Dr. Otto. He is by far the most professional, the most educated, the most practical oriented chiropractor I've ever seen, and I highly recommend him. I thought I was about beyond help when I came here, but he's helped me, he's kept me going, and for other people, whatever I have to do, insurance wise or money wise, I'll keep coming here. When I go on, one last word, when I go on vacation, I have to go somewhere to visit relatives who are sick, and go out of town for a week or maybe 2 weeks, I mean, that just tears me up. Between the travel, I don't care if it's on a plane, I don't care if it's in a car, it tears me up. And by the time I get back here, I am so in such pain again, that I'm ready to start all over again. So I highly recommend Dr. Otto, suggest you try him. I'm glad I did, because if I hadn't, I don't know if I could even walk now. Thank you.